Hey! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. Then select Alarm at the top left corner and choose this plus icon. From here, set up an hour and tap on OK. Then you need to choose Repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Now you need to disable or enable vibrations by choosing Vibrate over here. Click on Label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then save your label by choosing OK. Now you need to click on Default over here and tap on the best melody for you. I will go with that one. Now save it by going back. But if you wish to, you can always go into exactly the same sound settings and tap on Add New over here instead. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner, select one of those sources. Sorry, the top left corner doesn't work properly. Then select one of those sources, I will go with Downloads. Tap on the song that you wish to set up and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by choosing this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to select Delete over here. And now it's gone. If you want to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by selecting those three dots at the top right corner, selecting Settings, and adjusting all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!